6 effective ways to boost your digestion after overeating. It is definitely pleasurable to enjoy your favorite foods, but the after effects of overeating can be terrible. Whatever be the occasion, an overstuffed stomach is uncomfortable and, of course, unhealthy. It gets worse when you don't get quick remedies to deal with a troubled, stuffed tummy. But guess what, you don't have to wait for hours in order to quell your bloated tummy, as these simple home remedies can get you through the after effects of overeating. Overeating tends to slow down your digestive capacity, depending on the kind of foods you ingested. As food lingers in your belly, it can start pushing itself upwards against your diaphragm, causing you to have shallow breaths, heartburn, acidity and other troublesome symptoms. Here are some effective ways to ease your stomach after you have overindulged. 1. Try peppermint. Suck on a peppermint candy right after you eat. Peppermint has menthol that helps relieve gas, indigestion and nausea. It basically helps soothe the opening between your stomach and esophagus, enabling stomach acid to flow back. You can also sip on a cup of peppermint tea too, or have a peppermint chewing gum for relief. 2. Drink herbal tea. Sipping on herbal teas can actually promote the movement of food through your digestive tract and give relief from the discomfort. Choose chamomile tea, chicory tea, green tea or any other herbal tea that you like. 3. Bring apple cider vinegar to your rescue. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink up. This will immediately aid digestion and restore the gut mechanism. Apple cider vinegar contains healthy probiotics that help strengthen the gut and restore its work. 4. A pinch of turmeric may help. Turmeric is known to be a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that is also antibacterial and full of antioxidants. All these health benefits have been attributed to the compound curcumin that can ease the discomfort caused by overeating. All you need to do is to add a pinch of turmeric in hot water and lemon and then drink up. 5. Sip on spicy lemonade. Spicy drinks are known to ease digestive discomfort, and lemon added to them can be even better. Along with lemon and hot water, add a pinch of cayenne pepper to it. This will help stimulate the liver in order to detox your body and eliminate the excess food that you ate. Also, the combination is a powerful digestive aid that can easily soothe stomach ache, gas, bloating and acid reflux. 6. Take a walk. One of the simplest and most effective solutions is to take a walk right after eating. This will help stimulate the digestive processes in your body that pushes the food down your gastrointestinal tract. Do not run or jog, just stroll around for 15 minutes and you will feel better right after.